This lesson is about how you sound, and when you master this, customers will trust you from the very first second of a conversation. In customer service, how you sound is just as important as what you say. There are three components working together: your voice, your tone, and your language. Let's break them down. On a phone call, customers read you on three levels: your words, your tone, and your energy. And tone and energy often carry more weight than the words themselves. You can say, "I'm happy to help," in a flat, monotone voice, and the customer won't believe you. The words are right, but the music is wrong. Think of it this way: words are the lyrics, but tone is the melody. Nobody enjoys a song where the singer sounds like they'd rather be somewhere else. Tone is the emotional layer beneath your words. Ask yourself before every call, how am I feeling right now, and is that coming through? Your tone should consistently project three things. Calmness: even when the customer is upset, you stay steady, you are the anchor. You genuinely care, not performed care, actual care. You convey confidence that you can handle this. Compare these: "I will check that for you" versus "let me check that for you right away." Same words. Adding energy and immediacy creates a completely different emotional impact. Professional customer service language is built on three rules: no slang, no jargon, no blame. No slang. It sounds unprofessional and can confuse customers. No jargon, unless you know the customer understands it. When in doubt, speak plainly. No blame, ever. Your job is never to tell the customer what they did wrong. Your job is to find the solution. Instead of, "That's not my department," say, "Let me connect you with the right team." Instead of, "You didn't follow the process," say, "Here's the best way to get this sorted." Your goal is never to sound superior. Your goal is always to sound helpful. Let me demonstrate with a quick example. A customer says, "I've called 3 times already." Wrong tone, slightly rushed and defensive. "Okay, what seems to be the problem?" This can escalate things. Right tone, slow, calm, reassuring. "I'm really sorry you've had to call multiple times. I've got you now. Let's sort this out together." Same situation, same moment, completely different outcome, based purely on tone. Tone isn't just about voice. In chat and email, tone comes from your word choice, sentence length, and even punctuation. Compare these two chat messages. "Check your email" versus "I've sent an email just now. Please check your inbox and let me know once you see it." Which one feels warmer? The second, and it only takes a few extra words. Warmth in writing comes from being intentional, thinking about your reader's experience, not just what information needs to be conveyed. Let's run through the tone killers, the habits that will undermine you if you let them creep in. Sounding bored or distracted, it signals to the customer that they don't matter. Talking over the customer, never ever interrupt, let them finish. Filler words, okay, actually, they make you sound unsure and insincere. Reading a script without emotion, if you sound like a robot, the customer feels it. They want a human being. The simplest test: if it sounds human, it usually feels right. That's your compass. 4 things to carry with you from this lesson. 1. Your voice carries confidence. A clear, controlled voice instills trust from the very first second. 2. Tone controls emotional direction. Warmth and assurance guide the entire conversation. 3. Language should be clear, calm, and positive. Choose words that build understanding, not confusion. 4. Warmth plus professionalism equals trust. That combination is the foundation of every successful interaction. When you master your voice, tone, and language, customers feel at ease. They learn to trust you. And when customers trust you, everything else becomes so much easier. And that is Module 1 complete. You've covered what great service is, how customers think and feel, how to structure your communication, and how to use your voice with power. You are already ahead of most people in this industry. Let's keep that energy going into Module 2. Well done, everyone. I'll see you in the next lesson.